What is the PRD? How to write the PRD? Who is reading your PRD? These are all the questions that I'm going to answer in this video. Stay tuned. So what actually the PRD is? The PRD stands for the Product Requirement Document. And this type of a document is actually being used to describe your product feature on how is it going to look. Now, what do I mean by this? This means that we're going to have the objective of that feature. We're going to have some Moscow prioritization, which is basically must, could, should, and want to. We're also having some key deliverables in there. What we are going to deliver when we are developing a specific feature. Also, there is going to be high priority deliverables, but in more details. Now, of course, I'm not going to write the whole details because it's going to take a long time. But then again, what else the PRD has? It has the user designs or the wireframes themselves. I don't really have the wireframes, but the most of the time and the tools that you're going to be using for the wireframe, it's going to be Miro, it's going to be Figma. All right, so let's start in here. So here I am in my Confluence empty page. Oh, it's actually not empty because I was using the product requirements template. And it's really good because it comes with some of the predefined things such as objective, the page properties that you can include, where you can also include the epic, the document status, the document owner, the designer, everything. Okay, so what is going to be the name of this? What kind of feature we're planning to develop in here? Let's think of something easy, an easy feature, right? Let's go with the e-commerce sign up -PRD. Okay. So in here you're gonna be putting your Jira epics and issues and everything like that. So first of all, when you're creating a PRD, you cannot start creating tickets right away. Why? Because you're creating PRDs to align with your designers, to align with your developers, and to align with your stakeholders. Your stakeholders are the most important in here. Sure, designers and developers are going to have questions for you that you should always answer. But the stakeholders are the ones who are giving a green light right there. And when they give you the green light, you start to create your tickets from what you actually need to have your user stories. So that is the another important thing, because without the user stories, nothing else matters in there. Okay. Yeah, since in draft document owner, it's gonna be myself in here. So what I'm gonna do, yes, I'm gonna tag myself, and let's say I have a design leader. That's gonna be Ryan. Tech lead, I'm gonna choose Kevin. Technical writers and the QA will basically, technical writers are not, this is not like really something that is needed from here. So this part could actually be deleted. So you're not gonna need that. QA. You're always gonna need your QAs right there because they make sure that the quality of the feature is the best and your features are being shipped bug free. First question: What is the objective? The objective of sign up page is sign up e-commerce page is to allow the users to allow the potential buyers to register on the site so they can browse, filter, and buy the products from the site. That is it. There is no like raising the user experience and everything else. Okay, so that is not it. To buy the products from the site and bring revenue to the business owner. Well, of course, right? When they buy off your site, that actually means that, well, you're getting some revenue for it. Of course, you get you have to pay the website hosting as well, but that is a kind of a different thing. Okay, requirements. So first of all, this wouldn't be called requirements. I would call this key deliverables. Okay. All right. So first of all, I'm gonna say deliverable, and the user stories. Yeah. Okay. You let user stories should be different. So the user stories are not gonna be in here because the user story is gonna be a different, yeah, it's gonna be in a different section. All right, key deliverables. What is the key deliverable for the sign up page? All right, so key deliverable, it's going to be sign up page with username. No. Sign up page that. Okay, what is the deliverable here? Yeah, it's the sign up page, but it goes for several processes. But what you're delivering to them, you're delivering a sign up page with what? Then there's the question. Okay, they can sign up with what else? They can sign up with Google, they can sign up with Microsoft, they can sign up with Apple, for example. Sign up page. Okay. With the regular registration, with the regular customer registration process. And we still don't have the Jira issue, so this part right here, we're not going to be needing it. Okay, so this right here is the priority. You can add notes in here. So what do we have? Data that is being asked from the customer, and you have first name, last name. You also have email, password. I also have like password, confirmation. What else do you have? You have address. You also have postal code. You also have country, and so on and so forth. And then you have the other part, sign up page, that contains free sign up options. So this right here, this is not like a high priority. Why? Because without the sign up page where the regular customer is putting all of their details, your site is not gonna have a lot of meaning. Not gonna say it's gonna be useless, but without that and without the creation of the account and everything that goes with it, you just simply cannot do those things. So this right here is medium. Yeah. Sign up options include, I'm gonna say Google, say Microsoft, and I'm gonna say Apple, for example. There we go. Okay, from here, right? So from here, what we're having are gonna be some user stories. So yes, this is the design right here, but basically we're not going with the design. So I'm gonna be saying that this is going to be, what is this? Heading number 2, user stories. Okay, so it's gonna be using the Moscow prioritization. Must, should, could, won't. Must do, should do, could do, won't do. No, sorry. I didn't, I don't know, a mistake. Because for the user stories, you need 3 of these as I want to, so that I, so on. As a who, as a customer, as a customer, I want to enter my first and last name so that I can see my full name on the site when the registration is completed. As a customer, enter my email so that I can verify my email, so I can verify my account with my email address and use it to log in. What else? As a customer, I want to what? I want to enter my password. I want to create a new password. so that I can log into my account securely. Okay, what else do we have? As a customer, I want to choose my country of residence so that I can what? So that I can get my products shipped to my country. What else? As a customer, what else do you want to do? I want to enter my zip code so that I am sure that the delivery will be sent to the right city. So on and so forth, and this can go on and on. Now, of course, open questions. This is more towards the stakeholders, right? So the open question would be, what kind of password strength methods we will be using? Is it gonna be like 8 to 12 letters? Is it going to be like first letter needs to be a capital letter, and then your password must contain at least one special character, and so on and so forth? And that can actually go really deep. But I'm telling you, when you actually continue with this, when you go with the user stories, when you go with the deliverables, and then you start to explain this sign up page with a regular registration process, basically in there you're gonna describe everything to the smallest details as possible. And this is where the problems might come. Why? Because the PRDs might be 10 pages long. I mean, it's a sign-up feature, and when even the estimation would go for the sign-up feature, that is something that is a high priority feature, and it's usually the feature that needs to be developed for quite some time. So yeah, that is a thing that needs to be taken into the consideration. Alright, so yeah, that is everything that I had to say about creating the PRDs, what are the PRDs, and yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See ya, bye.